at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Did you do that? Did you do that? Go to Connor. Hey, Connor.
No, buddy, you're not going. No.
Stop.
Did you dad? Did you come home? Stay. Is it your dad? Oh my goodness.
I don't know. Maybe it's just a
Mila! Quit!
Who's biting this? Who's being a bad boy?